What's happening, guys? This is John from Social Spike Marketing Group here for part one of our web series, which is quick wins for local SEO. So these are just some small tips and tricks that local businesses can utilize in their own SEO strategy to sort of help with the rankings in different areas. So today we're going to look over an element that has been working for us to start boosting your Google My Business profile rankings in the map pack. And it's not a big thing, it's very easy, anyone can do it. And today we're going to show you how in just a few minutes you can do this too. So stay tuned. Hey guys, John back here. Alright, so today we're going to go over amplifying your photos that you're going to be adding to your Google My Business profile. Hopefully you've added this already to your marketing mix in terms of building your own profile out on Google. If you haven't, we kind of walk through that in our local SEO playbook, which I'll add the link below in the description. You can check it out. It's free and it will help you with your local SEO as well. So today we're just going to talk about amplifying the photos that we're going to add to your Google My Business profile. This can be your logo, your team photos, personal photos of yourself that would be obviously applicable to your job, your services, anything related to that. We just want to make sure that we're adding some information to give you a little bit better boost locally, so Google can kind of read these photos and connect them with your business, your location. Okay, so today we're going to use one of our fake profiles to show you how we're going to add this in, and we're going to do this for one of the logos that we have. So basically what we want to do is we want to get your name, address, and phone number listed. Okay, so right here you can show you this is the information we have for this particular listing. Okay, this is going to be applicable in a few minutes when I show you where we add this. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, we need to find the longitude and latitude of your location. Okay, and this is easy. All you have to do is go to long.net, latlong.net, and simply add in your address, and it will find your longitude and latitude. Okay, so this is it here, the latitude, longitude. And the second thing we're going to do is we're going to use Geotag tool, which is free. Okay, and all you do is upload a JPEG photo, and then we'll show you the rest of the things that we're going to do to this to optimize it. Okay, so we'll click here, we'll find the JPEG version of the logo, which is right here. We'll add that in. Okay, perfect. So we have this in place here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back here, we're going to grab the latitude, put it right in here, and then we're going to get the longitude, put it right in here. Okay, so we have that in place. It's finding the location here, which is perfect. The next thing we want to do, okay, so we're going to go back here to this information. So we have the name, address, phone number, and our website. Okay, copy this and plug it in right here. Okay, right in the image description. So this is going to basically tell Google in this image more details about what this is. So the company name, the address for the location, as well as the phone number to contact, and the website. All good stuff to have. Okay, document name. Usually we want to go with what the image is, the keyword. Okay, so I mean right now it's the logo, so Halifax Plumbing Experts logo. That's perfectly fine. Okay, so that's all the information you really need. Whatever the photo is, like if it's a photo of you, trimming trees, or you're performing a plumbing service, drain cleaning, or anything like that, add that in. Whatever its description is, like be descript. Let them know what we're looking at here. Try to use a couple keywords that would be relevant to whatever it is you're doing. Right? Simple as that. And once we have that information in, all we're going to do is hit right here. And there we go. So photo is tagged. Next step, all we're going to do is download it. Save here. Okay. And then we're going to go back to the logo. We're going to choose the photo. Obviously, we don't have any photos in yet, so this is going to be the first one. Here it is here. You see this? You can see that the title, Halifax Plumbing Experts, the location, the phone number, as well as the website. That's what we want to see. That's the information that's getting applied to this. So we're going to go upload. Now obviously this particular photo isn't set to the right dimensions, so make sure you do that. But just for an example, we'll go like this. This doesn't matter right now. And boom. We have this logo now applied with the geotag information. Okay? So basically, you know, this is a really easy trick. That took me under a minute to do. Okay? So make it a habit when you are planning on adding photos to your Google My Business profile, whether it's, like I said, regular photos from your work, the interior, your team, you know, all of these things are great. Make sure you just go through this step of adding it, okay? It was free to do. It's quick and easy. And whenever you do a post as well, you can use the same, you can do the same thing with this, right? You can add an update, add the photo, right here, and boom, you can write your post, right? Simple. Now there's other tips and tricks that you can do that we'll get into other things. But right now, like let's say you just want to go to your website. So we'll just put in the Halifax Plumbing Experts.ca. Finish. There you go. Done. So now you have this logo. It's applied to the pictures that we have, a post, and this is all data that's going to help. So if you're consistent with this, you're adding photos on a continuous basis, keep trying to do this, make it a routine, and you know, over time, this will have a positive impact in your rankings in the map. Okay, it's not the end all be all type thing where it's you just do this and you're going to take over your local market. That's not how it works. There's obviously more that goes into it, but the more things you do on a consistent basis, these add up and will have a positive impact moving forward. So again, try it out. Really easy to do. I'll add the links in the description as well, so you can easily go here and do this yourself. Yeah, so I hope you like this quick tip, and hopefully, you know, it can help you moving forward when you're trying to get a little bit more exposure and reach for your local business.